Welcome to our channel, where we explore the world of wood art and how you can unlock your creativity to make money from your passion. Wood art is a captivating form of artistic expression that allows you to unleash your creativity and create stunning pieces that resonate with people. To get started with wood art, you'll need essential tools and materials like chisels, woodbending tools, and high-quality wood to bring your vision to life. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced artist, the possibilities with wood art are endless. Let your imagination run wild as you explore the beauty of this versatile medium. Now, let's talk about how you can turn your passion for wood art into a profitable business. There are various avenues to monetize your creations, from selling on online platforms to showcasing your work at craft fairs. I started creating wood art as a hobby, but soon realized that I could turn my passion into a thriving business. By pricing my work competitively and building a strong online presence, I was able to reach a wider audience and generate income from my art. These inspiring stories show that with dedication and creativity, you can carve out a niche for yourself in the world of wood art and make a living doing what you love. So, whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, explore the world of wood art and see where your creativity takes you. Join us on this journey of self-expression and financial empowerment through the beauty of wood art. Subscribe to our channel for more tips, tutorials, and inspiration on how you can unlock your creativity and make money with wood art. Thank you for watching.